Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two crypto research and portfolio tracker apps. First one is CoinStats and the second one is Delta. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two products, and in the end we'll try to find out which one is better from the other. Don't forget, I'll leave the links in the comment section. So let's start with CoinStats. CoinStats is a cryptocurrency research and portfolio tracker app. You can search through the list of more than 6,000 cryptocurrencies, visit their social pages and websites to make research-based invest decision. CoinStats features also includes the ability to set price alerts to currencies, read the related news and cryptocurrency converted. On top of that, you can add your cryptocurrency trades into CoinStats for tracking your net worth and profit loss, including by connecting your wallets and exchange accounts for auto-sync. So when we are at CoinStats, we can also check the pricing. When we start, you won't get anything like that in Delta, but at CoinStats you can actually go Pro or Premium, or become a community with if you're like more of you. So with Pro you get 10 exchange connections, 10 wallet connections, up to 1000 transactions, coin insights, unlimited access to CoinStats on iOS and many other platforms. With Premium you get unlimited exchange connections, unlimited wallet connections, up to 100,000 transactions, personal account manager, and also unlimited access. You can be billed monthly or annually. With annual, you save up 30%. But other than that, I would say that CoinStats does everything that the other crypto research apps do. For example, we can go and check all the cryptos that you can work with on CoinStats. Let's go with, for example, Ethereum. And now you see the life cycle of Ethereum. Same goes for crypto trackers at Delta, but Delta is more biased towards using it on a mobile phone for free. You can change your language, obviously. You can get the app, and that's what they are encourage you to do. On Delta, you can basically track all the cryptos, same as at CoinStats, but also at CoinStats you can become a pro, as I said, but also check all the listings and all the informations and holdings that you are distributing with. You can go with team updates, etc, etc. You can go with portfolio tracker, connect exchange, connect wallet, connect to MetaMask, and once you do that, you are actually ready to go and start adding your cryptocurrencies. Let's put it like that. And in Delta it's hard to really show you the Delta on the phone because the app is speaking for itself. So if you have more questions about this, please leave them underneath this comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you like the video, like it and subscribe, and see you on the other one.